this is a turkey and cheese croissant. That looked really good. Other than that, kind of same old, same old.
Same old, same old.
Gotta have the Mickey waffle. So we've noticed if you come in on the left of Cabanas, it's been generally pretty slow. So there's like bacon and sausage. The turkey and cheese croissant was super good. Got beans for your English breakfast, fruits, pancakes, more eggs and bacon and sausage, some rice, hash browns and veggies. Got some sandwiches, some English muffin pizza, muffins, and some breads and stuff. And then it gets a little busier on this side. And in comparison, here's coming in on the right side, so it's the same on both sides. Well, we did it. We got here. Let me show you on the back. We got the Spirit jerseys. Woo! So when we went in on, what was that, Thursday when we boarded?
Yeah.
And we got in and it was like 10 minutes or 20 minutes after the store opened, and these were already gone and we wanted them. So they put us on a wait list. We were the second ones on the wait list, and we went and checked now when the stores opened, and they had them on hold for us. The lady said they were just about to start calling folks to come pick them up. So we got them. You can kind of see. No, not really. It has the cute little Disney Cruise Line logo, and it's got a fruitcake on it somewhere. I thought I saw fruitcake. Oh yeah, there. A little fruitcake presents. It's cute. Super cute. My first jersey tee. Yeah, and it's Christmas. And I love it. Win. We win. We're going to try out the Anyone Can Cook Culinary series. They're making lobster ravioli. So it looks like we're going to do some tasting. I think it's going to be delicious.
First thing is, when we're working back home in the kitchen, is our chopping board. We need to secure it. Most of the time we don't do it. Like, I know back home when I'm on vacation, when my wife is cooking, I always see the chopping board sliding. Some chopped garlic, and we will just saute this one. While we saute this one, we just want to tell that we have some sherry and some brandy over here. That's going to be deglazing the pan. So once this is nicely hot and sauteed, we will add the sherry and we'll deglaze, so all the alcohol the content is gone, and what you have is just the liqueur of it, just the flavor. Now if you wish to, you can even add some herbs in your filling, in your stuffing. Like you can add some chives, or you can add the basil inside. It's like, but basically if you just make it this way, you will enjoy it more than having any herbs and getting it too much powdered. We just cover it in this way, and with the fork you can just press it to give a shape, just a design, one shape that you would get. And if you make two pieces of this, it's really nice for any of the guests. Now here we have to blanch this just only for like 3 to 4
was now to be envied by all, far and near. A swish as he flies around the house and shines enough light to the center of you and your room. And when they are all through, you can hear them exclaim as they drive out of sight, "Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night." Isn't that awesome? Finally, keep your nice.
So we decided to do the sit down for lunch today at Tiana's. We're here at Tiana's. Hi. So here's what they have. They've got soups and salads and small plates, meatloaf, hamburgers, pasta.
Butter and bread for you.
Thank you.
Get the buckets today.
We both started off with the French lentil soup. That's it. Oh my gosh, look at this burger. Looks so good. There's pickles and onions and tomatoes. Looks delicious. Just got back to the room, probably for a nap. I got these stupid tags, which means it's almost time to leave. They also include your tip voucher things. So you just put those in these little things. You can, I think, leave them in the room or give them to the people that they go to. We just rested in the room for a while, and now we're gonna do the mixology class. Pretty excited.
A little bitter hint at the end. So let me tell you something. If you are here and you are more than welcome and to allow to have a notes to record whatever you want. I will use sugar syrup. If you don't have sugar syrup, use half of the brown sugar back. So just a touch. Then I will muddle. What kind of assistant you are? The joke, of course. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I will. Okay, this one I didn't put cranberry at all, as you can see. But you can put a little more cranberry for the taste, right? Because it should be a little more cranberry. It's okay. This one is very strong. Strawberry. I put absolute mandarin. And that's it. It's caipiroshka, it's not caipirinha. Caipirinha is the Brazilian cachaça rum. I mean, kind of rum. You see? Let's learn something. So the fourth one is going to be shaken cocktail. This kind of cocktail is long, like you can drink by the beach. It's very nice. Please, as well, stir it because it has pineapple juice. 1 shot of rum, 1.5 ounces of Malibu, ounce of banana liqueur. If you remember, like a sour apple liqueur, they have banana as well. Then blackberry brandy. Then I will use fresh lime and lemon. Be squeezed before operation start because it's easier when it's busy just to put a splash than to squeeze every time. Make our life easier, right? So just a splash of sour because everything is sweet. I need to make a balance. And then pineapple juice. I will shake. So this is shaken over ice or on the rock. Those cocktails are on the rock, over ice. Everything from the shaker. So it can be Blue Lagoon, Blue Hawaiian, Bahama Mama, my course. Any chocolate syrup. I love this one because it's nice taste. It's like a real chocolate, not like this artificial, whatever. Now I will use only this strainer. I don't need double strainer because I didn't muddle anything. So I will just do this. And then this is like a that's just steal, right? Cheese.
Well, we just finished the mixology class. It was really nice. I was a little scared because we had friends that did the martini tasting. So they say. It was rough. This was actually really nice. There were 5 drinks. I tried to get what the drinks are made out of. I think, was it just the first one that had an actual name, the Bourbon Mule? Mm-hmm. And the other 4 were the bartender's like own creation. So they didn't really have a name. So I took notes on like what I'll put down at the bottom of the screen for those. It was really nice. So before the pandemic, the mixology class was you got to make the drinks and they showed you how to muddle things and do layered drinks and do all that kind of stuff. When cruising started up again, they did it like this, where it's just kind of a seminar where she shows you how she makes the drinks. And they've just kind of stuck with that because I think they can serve more folks, or more people can join the mixology class for that. It was really nice. The drinks are all very sweet, so if you are planning on doing that, if you like sweet drinks, then it's great. But yeah, they're all very sweet, but all very good. The bartender here on the Wonder, she's pretty great. She's wonderful. I think we're going to order some room service. Our dinner, it's currently 5:55. Our dinner's not till 8:15, so I think we're going to get a little cheese plate and hang out here in the room, and then probably head back down to Cadillac at some point to get our pre-dinner drinks and then have dinner at Animators Palate. We decided to come out and get some fries instead. and maybe watch some funnel vision. Room service was taking a while. We felt bad, so we just got some fries. Alright, tonight we're at Animators Palate, one of our favorite places. We get to draw our little characters that will be here on the screen later. And right now they're doing little sketches. We've got Tiana here. I think that's, I can't tell what's over there. So as the night goes on, it'll get more and more colorful. Pretty cool restaurant. Alright, here's my little character. It's me. I tried to do a Christmas sweater, but I think it looks more like Freddy Krueger's sweater. So, I mean, that's also on brand. So, that's mine. That's Mom's. She looks like an elf.
I do look like an elf.
It's cute.
That's what I call a colorful entrance.
See, it's Tiana.
Oh, hi, folks.
Be our guest. Be our guest. Put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, Sherry, and we provide the rest.
Our appetizers. We of course had to get the truffle pasta, as always. Second course, I got arugula salad. It looks like there's beets and some oranges and beans. Mom got the, what was the ham? It was a
Serrano.
Serrano ham and manchego cheese, which is my favorite kind of cheese. What's on here? Oh, olive tapenade. I think that's new.
Yeah, I don't
remember that being there. Okay, for the main course, I got the tuna steak with an aioli and other things on the bottom I don't remember. And Mom got the penne bolognese, which is what I normally get. But after last night, I never want to see a pasta again. We have like the background cells here. There's usually a sketch over here. And then over there across the room is like the finished animation. There's Mom. There. There's me. You're ice skating. The show's over. We have desserts. I've got the cheesecake, like a chocolate crust. And Mom got the sticky toffee pudding, something like
Date
that.
pudding.
Date pudding. Something they'd make on Great British Bake Off. For sure. Looks delicious. Hello friend tonight is a little elephant. So cute. I don't know if we've had an elephant before. Got our chocolates. Well, friends, we're pretty much packed up. We decided we're gonna just carry off our luggage in the morning so we don't have to set it out. If you do want them to take your luggage, make sure that it's packed and it's set out in front of your room by I think 10 or 10:30. But we're gonna just carry out our own luggage tomorrow. So I'm pretty much packed. I've got all my clothes packed. You guys, I've been wearing these clothes for 11 days. And I also got this when we were in Turlock. So I'm gonna check this bag and pack my toiletries in there. And I'm pretty much done.
Welcome, everyone. Heidi's long-lost sister, Brigida. There she is. Yes, that's right. She's made it all the way. Oh, Iron Santa and Mrs. Claus!
this tradition. Usually each night we'll walk deck 10 on the Wonder. It's the highest deck. And we'll walk deck 10 and we'll usually stand up front at nighttime. I hadn't done that at all this cruise, but I figured since it's the last night, I'll do a little lap around deck 10 at nighttime. It's windy, so I probably won't do much talking. I just kind of got into a little place there, but let's take a little walk. Here's the concierge lounge, or part of the concierge lounge. So if you have a concierge room, you have access to this. There's also an outdoor space. You can see back there, there's like food and drinks and stuff. But here's what we're here for. Look at that. Alright friends, with that, I'm going to end this Disney Cruise series. If you like this series, make sure to check out, I have another Disney Cruise series that we did last October, so a little over a year ago. So make sure to check that out. Make sure to like and subscribe and all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Inside. Don't kill it. There is no need, you know, like. No need. You see what happened?
I'm gonna get out of the way of the runner.